the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, always searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts me. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I started to do. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Breaking through this life is a nuisance, not a nuisance. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, a place like this. Some people good, the bad, the good, got a glass half full. Yeah, I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the middle, inside a payphone. Just
What's up, guys? Got myself a brand new used M3 rear end. I'm gonna go try to pressure wash all the rust I can from it and then install my car. This ratio is bigger, so it should feel like much nicer, because right now my gears are so long and this should make it nice and short. So that's exciting. But yeah, it's pretty rough. I need to go pressure wash it.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me, well then baby I can taste.
Alright, so shop's a little messy. I am working on parting out my X5 to make some money off of it, to put it into that and that. So if my wife's listening, I'm just kidding. So I'm making money for the family. Anyway, there's a couple of things that's bothering me about my LS46, and that's whenever I drive it, there's a bunch of smoke or something coming in into the cabin, and the reason for it, I think, is because I'm missing the little shield over there, and I have a hole right there, and actually I'm missing a couple bolts in my headers, which I'm gonna put in right now. So I'm gonna pull it in right now quick, put all the bolts in, and put the little tray back on, and then try to cover it. Fits like a glove, looks like OEM, so hopefully I'll breathe less fumes and crap. But Next thing for me, I did just the stuff for rag in there for now, because I need to make like a plate and drill proper holes for it and put wires through them, put grommets in. So I'm just gonna wait on that. 2 hours later, I ran out of clamps, so I took the BMW, 2 of them, meshed them together, and it holds for now. I still need one more clamp for here, but it's very nice and snug. It's pretty close, but even with severe vibrations, it's not touching. It's rubbing the coolant hose a little bit. That's the only thing I'm worried about. It's laying on it pretty tight, so I don't know, we'll see. I have to keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't rub through. But the thing is, the coolant hose and this thing is one piece on the engine, so they should move together without rubbing against each other, so that should be fine. Now I need to rewire this plug, run it across and plug it into here. And then I have this pipe left over, so I'm thinking scuff her up, paint it black, and make a headlight intake, maybe build like a nice thing for it, maybe. So right now I'm gonna try to see if I can find another clamp for here, and then take it for a spin. Should be good to go. Oh yeah, rewire the plug. Need to find some wires for it, but shouldn't be a problem. All right, back at the shop. I'm gonna strip this thing now. It's all pressure washed and ready to go. And I'm gonna sand these subframe, and that's it, to the powder coating. Get them powder coated so they'll never rust again.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
All right, so the best way that I found out how to remove those, all you need is just this and a chisel. So what I did, I chiseled it from each side and then used hammer for the rest of them, and then freaking hammered it a couple times really hard, and they basically came out. No drilling, nothing, just hammer away. There you go. Simple. 2 more. Alright guys, so the subframe and the diff over there is all apart, and now I'm gonna quickly drop this off and drop that off at my powder coating guy, who's gonna powder coat them just black, and then I'm gonna take these to get pressed, get the bearings pressed out and press new ones in, and I'm gonna clean them up very well and then just paint them. I'm not gonna powder coat them. I don't want to go through that, especially because these rubber pieces right there, they're actually pretty good condition, so I don't feel like pressing them out and putting new ones in. So, and I need to buy new control arms, maybe new rotors, we'll see. And there's my, but anyway, it's kind of short video, random, kind of everywhere, but I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully the next one's gonna be soon, and then we'll be working on putting everything back together and putting them through subframe into my car. I might have to make another custom drive shaft, because I think the M3 diff is a little bit longer, but we'll see. I guess we'll see in the next video. So yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching, and then I will see you in the next one.